did you make this zip tie bigger?
It was perfect because then it hangs too low.
If you need me to take it off, I can take it off.
No, it's perfect.
What about the screw? You sure it's gonna hold?
It was holding the whole time. So we're gonna cross our fingers and wish for the best.
Well, everything's just holding on like our TV and this. I'm sure some of those shelves are too.
Hi friends, I want to thank you so much for being here. I wanted to include those clips of my son and I trying to hang the mirror and the wreath. You guys, it was such a struggle. We were laughing the whole time. I just really enjoyed that moment with my son. He actually helps me behind the scenes. A lot of the times when I can't do something, I could not hang this mirror, you guys, with the wreath on the same hook. So I asked for his help, and he's always so sweet to me and will always help me. But it's just funny that he was saying that things hang on by a thread, and it's so funny because he's actually the one that helped me hang the TV when we first moved in here. And you guys, that was such a struggle. I still remember him and I were trying to drill those holes into the wall. Oh my gosh, fun times. But you guys, I want to thank you so much for being here. I want to show you guys this beautiful Mrs. Claus that I finally purchased on Amazon. I'm so happy with her. I finally found her on a good sale on Amazon. I know a lot of you guys told me that you guys saw Mrs. Claus and Santa at Tuesday morning, and you guys, I only have one Tuesday morning close to me, and I was literally going every single day to see if I could find it. I had no luck. I didn't find a single house. Anything that was gingerbread lace I did not find at Tuesday morning. I did find her on Amazon, and one of these gingerbread houses is from QVC, and the other one I found this year at Home Goods for $30, so I was really happy about that. Friends, are you guys ready for Christmas? I am not ready this year. I feel like I'm so behind, not only with my Christmas shopping, but with my Christmas videos. I feel like the whole month of December has just flown by. I cannot believe it's going to be Christmas on Saturday, well, Christmas Eve. That's when we celebrate Christmas Eve, and then we will just be together on Christmas Day and eat a lot of food and just have fun and enjoy our time together. But the majority of the celebration is usually on Christmas Eve here at my house. Let me know when you guys celebrate. Do you guys celebrate more on Christmas Eve or Christmas Day? I would love to know. Ever since I was little, we would always do everything Christmas Eve. So we've been doing that for many years. Out of all of my collections that I have, I think this one is my favorite one. I'm hoping next year that I find more pieces because I would like to do my kitchen in this gingerbread lace theme next year. But I have a small collection. As you guys can see, it all fits here on this little entryway table. But next year, I'm planning to start early, like Christmas in July, and make some gingerbread houses that look like the lace collection. I've been thinking a lot about next year's Christmas and what I would like from what I've been doing this year. So for sure, next year, I want to have my gingerbread lace collection in the kitchen. And then I would want to make, I don't know if you guys have seen like those wooden trees where you can put like a gingerbread village, or like any village actually. But I want to put my gingerbread village on the wooden trees. And then I want to start collecting vintage decor as well. So next year, I'm going to focus on purchasing a lot more things from like antique stores. I'm going to start going to yard sales as well. And of course the DI, because that's my favorite store. I love going to the thrift store, but I'm going to start incorporating yard sales next year. So I'm going to bring you guys along for that. I'm just really excited. We are going to thrift our way into next year's Christmas. So if you guys are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. If you guys love decorating, cleaning, shopping, going to the thrift stores, and next year we're going to include going to yard sales. It's going to be so much fun, you guys. For those of you who are already subscribed, I want to tell you guys how much I love you guys and appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much for being my friend. And let's get on with finishing the decor here. I'm going to put some music on for you guys.
Snow is falling down. I've been longing for this Christmas when everyone's around. a time of happiness, a time of joy. But now this year is twice as special, 'cause I'm hoping for us to fall in love in this winter wonderland. Chilling by the fire as I'm trying to get your attention. Giving you a smile, I can seem to look away. I might be crazy, but I think you feel it too. Like a vibration right between us with a beautiful tune. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland? Cold night, but warm inside. Already said a little prayer that you will stick around. Is this year I'm really hoping for a kiss under the mistletoe? As hours pass by, all the stars shine much brighter. Or is it just your eyes that have lit something in me? I see you coming closer from across the room. My heart is pounding really fast, I don't know what to do. Could we fall in love in this winter wonderland? Cold night, but warm inside. Already said a little prayer that you will stick around. Is this year I'm really hoping for a kiss under the mistletoe? Snow is falling down.
This little tree right here is from the at-home store. And friends, this little adorable pig and the little cow and the barn are from Michael's a few years back. I just think they're adorable. And the two reindeer and the sled are from QVC. The little gingerbread inside of the sled are from Michael's this year. And the little two mice in there, they're from Amazon. The snowflake is from the at-home store as well. And you guys, those two little houses, I found them this year for $5 at Ross. I was so happy when I found them because $5, you guys, is so affordable. And they're not too big, but they're not too small either. I just think they're perfect. The two trees in the back, I actually made them. It was a DIY that I made this year. If you guys want to see that video, I'll link it in the description box. And you guys, look at my beautiful Santa and Mrs. Claus. These are from QVC. I purchased them last year. I just think they go so well with this little collection that I have because of their colors. They're actually like a gold color. I just think they're beautiful. They do light up. They're a great size too. They're a lot bigger than Mrs. Claus. I believe Mrs. Claus is 13 inches. So these might be about 20 or even bigger than 20 inches. They're a really good size. I just think they're really nice. So I put them here on the side. I just think they look adorable together. It's really hard for me to decorate in this area to show you guys. So the camera angle isn't the best. But I am going to be adding my sign. This is from Kirkland's. I want to say like 2 or 3 years back. I can't remember. I've had it for a while. And that's another thing that I want to focus on next year. I want to make my own signs because I would want some new signs. I feel like I've had the ones I have for a few years now. So I hope you guys subscribe and stay here with me so we can do a lot of fun things next year and focus on making our homes look beautiful and cozy for our families and our loved ones and anyone who comes into our home. I want to show you guys how beautiful my entryway came out. I'm going to have another video this week, so please turn on your notifications so YouTube can notify you of when that video goes live. But let me show you guys around my entryway.
Everything is calm now, it's midnight. Hey. Everybody's sleeping, all is peace, and I'm still hanging round in a house that's filled with lights, walking through a midnight wonderland. The wise men keeping watch, now it's midnight, and though it's cold outside, we're staying warm. And the star will always shine, it's the season for all time, walking in our midnight wonderland. The fuss and hustle of yesterday's gone, now let us focus on the holidays, having fun, coming together with the family and friends, a gift that's heaven sent, it's heaven sent to you and me. Now the wise man keeping watch while it's midnight, and though it's cold outside, we're staying warm, and the star will always shine, it's the season for all times, walking in our midnight wonderland. Everything is calm, now it's midnight, everybody's sleeping,